Hello guys and welcome back to AWS Solution Architect Associate class, and in this video we are going to learn how to create EC2 instance backed by Instance Store. Instance Store is the temporary store, and Instance Store storage is quite faster than ABS backed EC2 instance. However, there is some drawback with EC2 Instance Store because you may lose the data if you terminate your EC2 instance. You cannot detach from your system and attach with your another EC2 instance. So let's take a look how you can create EC2 instance store, EC2 instance with the instance store. And before go ahead, guys, just subscribe this channel to get the updates with the latest videos which we are creating and uploading for you without any charge. It's totally free, and we are just not uploading only the AWS videos. We are uploading the multiple the technologies videos, and you can take the advantage. So to complete this exercise, you need to log in into your AWS console, and here you need to go to the services, go to under the compute. You can find the EC2 instance. You can see EC2. You just need to click on EC2 and you will get this window here. And from this console, you need to go to the launch instance, then click on launch instance here. And here you need to go to the community AMI, and you can find the root device type here, the both types, the ABS or the instance store. Let me just select the ABS, so it will filter with only the ABS instance store as a root device. You can see it here. You can find any instance store backed EC2 list here. If you just want to, we just want the only the instance store in this class, so I'm just going to choose the instance store here, and now you can see it. All are the root device for the EC2 instance. AMIs are the instance store. Okay, you have a couple of number of AMIs available into this community AMI, and you can do them. You can select any of them. It doesn't matter what the AMI you are selecting. So you can just see all are filtered by instance store here. So I'm just selecting it AMI here, and you can see all the options are, most of the options are gray out here because they are the backed by EBS volume, and wherever it's backed by EBS they are going to be gray out. And you can just scroll down, and you can find here your the instance store here with general purpose M3 dot medium. That's your 13.75, your RAM, your SSD disk. Okay, so I'm just going to select this the least RAM here. I'm just going to select that one, M1 dot small, and then hit next. And here I'm just leaving all the default options. It's just selecting your the IP address. It's saying it's also auto assign the public IP address to your EC2 instance, and it's selecting the default VPC groups. Rest I'm not doing anything else, so that's fine. And you can do you have the couple of options here. You can protect your EC2 instance from accidental deletions or terminations. You can enable the CloudWatch metrics to monitor your EC2 instance. And you have the tenancy also. There are shared tenancy, dedicated tenancy, and dedicated hot tenancy available, and I'm just leaving it as a shared tenancy. Then go to hit next, add storage, and here you can see the instance store available here. You have no any other control here. You can just the total size of 160 GB is going to cost me, and no encrypted, that's fine. And it's my volume type instance store. And then you need to hit to next, add tags. I'm just adding the tags, and I'm saying instance store EC2. That's my instance store EC2 volume. And I'm just going to hit next, configure the security group. I'm just selecting the default security group here, that one. All the traffics, all the port range, all the source. And you can select any other one also. That one we have created into our last videos, so you can select that one also. So it's, you can SSH from any source, and you can hit review and launch your EC2 instance store. you can just review on this console, and then it give you the chance to modify. You can go back and then modify, or you can edit here from here, the edit AMI or edit instance types. That is the last chance before launching your EC2 instance on this console. So you can see your EC2 instance details, storage, what type of storage, ephemeral types of storage which we are using here, and then you need to hit launch, and you need to select the choose existing key pair. I'm just selecting my existing key pair, that's the 70709. I have already downloaded them in my previous class, so I'm going to use that one, and then you can launch EC2 instance. And instance is store back EC2 instance will be launched. It look like same as the ABS backed instance store, and it's going to be available into my EC2 console in quick very quickly. It's state it's showing it's pending, and it's going to be available just in couple of seconds. So let me go to here, instance EC2, it's still running. Okay. Okay, I'm just pausing this video till my instance is this instance will be available for the use. uh, Though you can see all the information it's pending, your instance type, your IAM role. I haven't attached any IAM role, the public IP address, the private IP address, your monitoring was disabled. I haven't enabled the CloudWatch for them, right? And your virtualizations type, paravirtual, and virtualizations here, reservation ID, tenancy. That's the default tenancy, which we use the share tenancy to create this EC2 instance. And you can go to the storage, and you can see the root device is our root device type is the instance store backed. EBS optimization is disabled. Status check, it is still pending, it's going to take some times. And you can see all the the security group here, these ports, and that one, all the ports default, and my outbound rule, it's allowing the connections or the traffics from all the destination ports. So that's the process, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to delete this EC2 instance because it's going to cost me. So that's the whole process to create your instance stored back EC2 instance. Okay, guys, and thank you. And just don't forget to subscribe this channel to get latest videos which we are going to upload